so here I go. I am fixing my shirt for one. You know, this is day 2 of me washing my face with my oatmeal, honey, and turmeric soap. So I'm gonna let y'all know where I put it in there again. So it's actually oatmeal, honey. Oatmeal is raw honey, and it is vanilla essential oil that is in the soap. And it does give off a very good lather. And I'm just like feeling the soap right now, really feeling the soap. So just putting it on a rag and doing my washing thing, cleaning, or whatever. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy me washing my grill. As how strange it may be, but nonetheless, I want to show y'all how good the soap lathers. And that goes for all the soaps that I have been creating. They lather pretty good, and they get the job done. Squeaky clean. You hear me? When I say your face be squeaky clean, you get all them germs out of them pores, okay? But nonetheless, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy me washing my face. Alright, I'll be back. See ya.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you around.
Alright, so here I go. I'm fanning my face, and I like to fan my face after I washed, air out the pores, and I'm doing my belly dance. So yeah, I like when the air hit my face after that. But nonetheless, this is me putting on my facial oil that I did put together, and I only made a little bit only for myself because I'm still waiting for my bottles to come in so I can make my sample bottle, so I can make my 2 ounces and my 4-ounce bottles of body and facial oil. But this is me putting my facial oil on, and this is a concoction of sesame oil and jojoba oil. That it does have vitamin E oil in there as well. But let's get back to the video. Put together it's unscented, and it makes my face feel lovely, okay? And I just can't stop just moisturizing my face, just blending it all in the skin, and it feels lovely afterwards. And I love how it makes me feel. As you can tell, I'm like really going in with the moisturizing. So I want to thank y'all for watching the video, and stay tuned for other videos that I do have that will be on my channel. If you haven't done so, please like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, see you guys.